Welcome to my channel Maths Pursuit. Today we will look into the questions from the chapter called Statistics. Hello friends, may I request you to please click on the subscribe button below this video.
So here the given question is a survey regarding the heights in centimeter of 51 girls of class 10 of a school was conducted and the following data was obtained. And the given data is like less than 140, less than 145, less than 150, less than 155, less than 160, less than 165. So number of girls less than 140, 4 girls, less than 145, 11 girls, less than 150, 29 girls, less than 155, 40 girls, less than 160, 46 girls, less than 165, 51 girls. And we need to find out the height, median. Find the median height. This is what the ask of the question is. Okay, so guys, I have noted down the data here in this board, and as per the given question, it is less than 140, or I can write below 140. Less than 145, I can write 140 to 145, 145 to 150, 150 to 155. So I just converted the data which was given like less than. So I just converted the data to the particular given range. And we could see that the class interval or the class height between each data is 5 here, and the first one is just below 140. Even the first one we can also note it down like 135 to 140. That would also be fine. And here they have given the cumulative frequency, because you could see the heights of 51 girls, and you could see the last figure is 51, because this is the height of the 51 girls, and here the last figure is 51. That means this is the cumulative frequency. Okay, now guys, we need to find out the median. So before moving ahead and find out the median, let us first of all find out the frequency. So why we are finding out the frequency? Because frequency is a part of the formula that we are going to use and derive the median. So how to find out the frequency? Frequency here is nothing but I can write frequency as, just see, I can write, I'm just showing you how to extract, how to derive frequency. I can write 4 minus 0 is equal to 4. Okay guys, I will just explain you. And just look here, 11 minus 4, I will explain you. 11 minus 4, that is 7. And then we have 29 minus 11, that is equal to 18. And then we have 40 minus 29, 40 minus 29, that is equal to 6. 40 minus 29, that is equal to 11. And then we have 46 minus 40, that is equal to 6. And then the last one we will be having 51 minus 46, that is equal to 5. Okay, so what is this, or what I am doing here? So guys, just observe here. I will just start from the end so that it will be easy for you to understand. The end figure is 51. Just I am subtracting 51 from the just above figure, above 51 figure, that is 46. Here this one, 51 minus 46, I am getting 5 here. And then 46 minus 40, I am getting 6 here. For this row, 40 minus 29, I am getting 11 here. 29 minus 11, because this is the third row, the third cumulative frequency is 29. So 29 minus 11, I am getting 18. This is the second row, the cumulative frequency is 11. I am subtracting 11 from 4, just the above figure, I am getting 7. And this is 4. 4 and the above, there is no figure, that is 0. So I am just subtracting 4 minus 0, that is equal to 4. So guys, this is how we found out the cumulative frequency. And now if we add 4 plus 7 plus 18 plus 11 plus 6 plus 5, this summation or this sum we will get summation of Fi is equal to 51. Definitely it should be 51, because this is what the question told us, or in the question that is given, like survey regarding the heights of 51 girls. So this is 51. Now we are done what exactly we require. Now let us note down the formula for the median and we will move ahead to calculate the median value. So the given question is find the median height. Okay, so the median formula is given like this. Median is equal to L plus n by 2 minus CF. CF is nothing but cumulative frequency upon F into H. Now guys, let me explain each one of these. What are these values or what are these figures? We call L is equal to lower limit of median class. So L is equal to lower limit of median class So just writing down the definitions or the lower limit of median class. Okay. So guys, what is the median class, or to which one we call as a median class? Let us try to understand that one first. Okay, before moving ahead, let me do one thing. Okay, let us do it like this. N by 2. Here n, what is n here? N here is nothing but n is equal to summation of fi, that is equal to 51. So this one is 51 and we call it as n. Now n by 2 is nothing but 51 by 2, that is equal to 25.2. Okay, so guys, from the formula n by 2 is there, so we are able to find out the value of n by 2. N by 2 is 25.5. Now that is one thing that we got. So n by 2, after getting n by 2, let me explain like what is this L here. L is nothing but lower limit of median class, and if you look here, we got n by 2 as 25.5. so where this 25.5 lies? Now if you look here to the cumulative frequency table, this first one is 4, then 11, then 29. That means our 25.5 lies here in this row, 29. So just we can highlight that particular row. Okay. Now let me explain you once again. So first of all, n is nothing but the summation of fi, that is equal to 51, and n by 2 is equal to 25.5. Okay. So after finding the n by 2 and the figure that we get, we should look for that figure, where that figure lies in the cumulative frequency column, and we found out that that figure will lie here in 29, because 4 25.5 will not be there, 11 25.5 will not be there, so definitely our 25.5 will lie here, and this is the class. We got class interval, that is 145 to 150. Now I can write L is equal to lower limit of median class, lower limit of median class. So you could easily guess what could be. So that is 145, because here the median class is 145 to 150. The lower limit is 145. Guys, we got the value of L as, let me put down here the things. N by 2 is equal to 25.5. L is equal to 145. Now let's see what is CF. Okay, what is CF here? We call CF is nothing but cumulative frequency of the class before median class. Cumulative frequency of the class before median class. Okay, so what is median class here? We got the median class as 29 here. So cumulative frequency of the class, this one is cumulative frequency Okay, so cumulative frequency of the class before median class. So cumulative frequency of the class before median class is, so 29 is our cumulative frequency of the class before median class. So 29 before is 11, because this is the frequency cumulative frequency column, and before the median class is 29 here, that is what we are referring. So before that figure is 11. So I can write CF is equal to 11. I hope guys this is pretty clear. Just don't get confused. CF is nothing but cumulative frequency of the class before median class. So here the cumulative frequency is median class. This median class cumulative frequency is 29. So this before the frequency, or before this 29, the figure that is 11, we are considering as that CF. Now let's see what is H here. H is nothing but class height. I can tell H is class height. So from this column you could easily determine the class height as 5. The distance between each number is 5, or the difference between upper limit and lower limit is 5. So let me note down that one as 5. Now what else? So we got everything that is required, and now F is nothing but frequency of the median class. F is equal to frequency of the median class. Okay, don't get confused here. Don't take F as the summation of this Fi. That is different, and this is different. Frequency of the median class. Okay, so this is the portion where our median class lies, and this is the frequency. The F is 18. So this is what we are focusing. So we got F as 18. Now let us put all these values in the formula and try to extract. So I can write median is equal to, now I can write median is equal to L plus, here L is 145 plus n by 2. N by 2 is nothing but 25.5 minus CF here is 11 upon F is 18. Okay, this is what we have, into H is 5 here. Okay, this is what the equation will look like, or the formula or the values will look like. Now I can write median is equal to 145 plus 25.5 minus 11 is nothing but 14.5. 14.5 by 18 into 5, or I can write median is equal to 145 plus 14.5 into 5 is nothing but 72.5. Just I multiplied 5 with this 14.5 and I got the values like this. Now I can write median is equal to 145 plus 72.5 upon 18. We will get 4.03. After solving that one, you guys can solve that one and find out you will get that the value will come to 4.03. Now we can get median is equal to 145 plus 4.03, which is nothing but 149.03. This is the median, or this is what the question asked us to find out. Guys, I believe this is pretty clear. So we can write, so the median height of the girls is, at the end we can write, therefore the median height of the girls is 149.03 centimeter, because the height is given in centimeter. Hope guys you understood this calculation or this process. But still, if you have any questions or doubts, please reach out to me. I will definitely get back to you once I see your comments. Guys, please subscribe.
If you really like my videos, I would request you to kindly subscribe and also let your friends know. This will motivate me to create similar videos in the future. Thank you. Bye.